In the cobweb-filled attic of an ancient house, hidden from prying eyes, a mysterious book lay waiting to be discovered. The silhouettes of three young explorers, their faces aglow with curiosity, stumbled upon the ancient book in the dimly lit attic. Within the old book's pages, faded ink danced with cryptic symbols, hinting at a magical adventure waiting to be unveiled. The trio huddled around the book, their expressions a mix of confusion and excitement as they pondered the cryptic message within. Disagreements flared among the companions, their gestures animated and voices raised, unsure of how to proceed in unraveling the mystery. Lost in the dense woods, the three friends searched for guidance, their faces etched with uncertainty and concern at the looming possibility of failure. A wise elder with twinkling eyes and a knowing smile emerged, extending a helping hand to the lost trio, teaching them the value of trust and collaboration. Each member of the trio contributed their unique talents, working together harmoniously to crack the intricate clues, inching closer to the hidden treasure. Before the trio lay a bundle of exquisite books, their faces a mix of awe and realization as they understood that these were the true treasures awaiting discovery. With enthusiasm radiating from their smiles, the companions began recording their very first video, knowing they were embarking on a journey to inspire young hearts and minds. Children from far and wide across Canada were captivated, glued to their screens, enraptured by the friends' storytelling that sparked imagination and joy. With pride and satisfaction shimmering in their eyes, the companions locked gazes, reveling in the knowledge that they were making a difference, one story at a time.